Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. The Ascendant Quran, an advanced English translation of the meanings of the Quran. Surah Al-Humazah, the Slanderer. In the Islamic literature, this surah has been designated as Surah Al-Humazah, the Slanderer or Defamer. Surah Wailun li kulli humazatin lumaza. Wretched is every slanderer, accuser. And Surah Al-Hutama, crushing affliction. It was revealed in Makkah after Surah Al-Qiyamah, resurrection, and before Surah Al-Mursalat, those sent forth. This represents the 32nd surah in the chronological order of revelation. It is composed of 9 ayat. It is reported that Surah Al-Humazah was revealed to address and expose the mushriks who were ridiculing and deriding the early Muslims. These mushrik individuals were known for their wealth and upper class status in pre-Islamic times, not unlike the super rich of today. This surah sweeps with its general meaning those individuals as well as all other similar individuals throughout the annals of time into its conclusion. In a nutshell, Surah Al-Humazah admonishes a class of people who take it upon themselves to spread damaging and defamatory information about others. Going public with their calumny campaigns, their aim is to eventually erode the will of the committed Muslims and maybe win them back over to shirk and kufr. Surah Al-Humazah. In the name of Allah, the mercy-giving, the very merciful. Wretched is every slanderer, accuser. Who amasses wealth and counts it a safeguard. Thinking that his wealth shall make him live forever. Certainly not, for in life after death he shall be ejected into a crushingly severe affliction. And what would apprise you of this crushingly severe affliction? It is Allah's kindled fire, which will hover over the guilty stream of consciousness. Verily, it will solidly lock them up and confine them within straddling columns. The Ascendant Quran, an advanced English translation of the meanings of the Quran. For orders, contact Safia Traders Bookstore, Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu, India.